All right, everyone, welcome to the MONEYMOD FX. Today, I will be analyzing NZDUSD. I'm gonna predict the direction of the New Zealand dollars, US dollar. All right, so let's move on. As you can see, this is the chart of the NZDUSD. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to identify my valid supply or demand level. So just uh, watch out to see how I do that. So I'm gonna pick on the horizontal array. So I have my demand level over here. All right. So this is my first demand level over here. Then also let me look at the previous chart I have here. I also have a supply level right here. On this supply level, I also have my order block around this area. Immediately the price touches the supply level, it creates an order block, and this is my order block here. So as you can clearly see, the next thing I'll be expecting is for the market to go down. So how can I go further about this? Let me show you. So as you can see at this area also, we also have a supply level at this zone, at this area here. So what I expect the market to do right now is for the market to come to this zone. After the market reacts on this zone, I expect the market to move down. Remember, this is a daily time frame. So if the market moves down, what I'm gonna do is to take my profit around this area. So let's take a look to check if the market have successfully reversed or trying to reverse or trying to give us a reversal around this area. So what I'm gonna do is switch to the 4-hour time frame. So you can clearly see that this is our 4-hour time frame. What I expect on the 4-hour time frame, as you can clearly see that the market was in the downtrend, and then what did you see around this area? The market was trying to reverse to the upside. So if you take a good closer, you are gonna see that we have a supply level at this area. So before I take a trade, I want to see the market move to that upside direction. So at this level, you can clearly see that we have a reversal. Let me show you. How I identify reversal, you can see that this momentum here is being taken out. So after the momentum is being taken out, we then reverse to our order block. So this is our order block right here. So this level of demand level, I took a trade at this level, and I can show you that on my I have a screenshot of that. I took a trade right exactly at this area right here. I look for a reversal, then I trigger the buys, and then it goes to my direction. All right. So let me show you how I did so. So as you can see, this is the entry which I took on the NZDUSD. This is the entry I took on the NZDUSD, and you can clearly see it. I also took one on gold. Let me show you that also. This is the one I took on gold earlier on. Yeah, this is the one I took on gold. This is one of my trading accounts, which my smaller account, which I took this entry on gold, and I closed this with profit, you know. So what I did was that I switched to the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. So let me show you how I go about this entry. So to be sincere with you, immediately the market goes above this momentum here. Then what I did is to switch to the lower time frame and then look for my entry. But to be honest with you, my stop loss was triggered, so I make a re-entry. So the re-entry came at this level right here. So what I did was that immediately this momentum is being taken out. What I did was that I placed my entry around this area right here. This is exactly where I buy my pair. This NZDUSD, this is where I make my entry, and it goes to my direction. So at this level right here, I take my first profits around. Let me show you where I take my first profit. Let me show you. My entry was here, and immediately I saw this reversal. This is where my take profit was. So what I'm anticipating next, I dropped this signal to my Facebook group. Also, I told my members to rebuy NZDUSD. The signal was given at this point. The signal was given at this point to my Facebook members. We are told them to buy this pair, and where I'm anticipating is that level which I show you earlier on. Your first take profit should be at this high. Before going to the top uh, level right there. Uh, so that's it on NZDUSD. So if you like this video, I need you to subscribe to this channel for more. I'm gonna drop daily tips on currency pairs and how I make entry on most of them. Okay, so let me show you how I made entry on that. Let me quickly switch to my screenshot. So I'm gonna show you the entry I made on NZDUSD.